about staff responsibilities and hygiene. Firstly, protective clothing is very important in our farm. We must always wear clean protective clothing, make sure that it is washed regularly, and make sure that we do wear our gumboots. Never wear our protective clothing which are dirty and go to work with it. And staff housing, the people which are staying off the farm, when they come to the farm, they need to change their clothing or wear their protective clothing at the entrance or at the biosecurity area, so that when they enter into the farm, they are wearing their protective clothing. Bear in mind that wherever we have been, we need to remember animals which we have got in contact with. For example, if we have touched birds or other animals, when we come into the farm, we need to specify as to which animals we did encounter, so that we can be aware of what risk that carry to our farm. We need to make sure that we do wash our hands and sanitize, especially before we eat and after handling animals, especially people which are handling sick animals and calves. They need to make sure that they are always clean. And then staff knowledge. Remember that as an employee, we are all team of biosecurity. Thus, it is important for us to always know the protocols and to know as to what to do if you see that the animal is sick, and know the signs of a healthy animal and sick animals. If you don't know, make sure that you go to your manager and ask, so that you can be guided on that regard.